Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to exit WhatsApp group without people knowing. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So for this you just need to go on the settings on your phone and app information or application management on your mobile phone itself, and you just have to click and search here WhatsApp, and we will open our WhatsApp in your mobile application manager itself. Just click on the WhatsApp. When you click it, you can see there is a lot of option called notification, etc. We will click on notification and go to the option called chats. In group notification, we will just switch off show notification option here, and now we will go to our WhatsApp and we will do the same thing in WhatsApp. Also we will just enable our mute notification option here, and now you can exit the group and one can know without you that you have exit the group. So this is the way how you can exit WhatsApp group without people knowing. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.